Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to stop YouTube notifications on Chrome using your PC. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through the steps to easily manage and control your YouTube notifications. Let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube on your PC by launching your web browser and navigating to the YouTube website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Tap on Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. On the left side panel, locate and click on Notifications. Step 5. You will see a list of notification options. Find the one that says Chrome and click the button next to it to turn notifications on or off according to your preference. By following these simple steps, you can easily stop YouTube notifications on Chrome using your PC. Take control of your notification settings and customize your YouTube experience to suit your needs.